What if you got lost in the Amazon rainforest? Struggling to find water, you stumble into a shallow stream. Day 1, the rain pours. You are soaked and shivering. You start noticing wildlife around you. Day 7, you find a small shelter in a hollow tree. Day 15, hunting small animals for food. Day 30, crossing a river. Day 60, building a raft for exploration. Day 100, storm hits while on the raft. Day 200, surviving alone in canopy. Day 400, fever hits, lying under leaves. Day 600, finding small fruits, slowly recovering. Day 1000, learning to track animals. Day 1500, crossing dangerous river again. Day 2000, encounter with jaguar. Day 3000, building makeshift shelter at riverbank. Day 4000, adapting to survival fully. Day 5000, night under stars, reflecting. Day 6200, you survived. The rainforest shaped you completely.